All right, guys. So today we're going to start a review because we're going to take a little online quiz starting Friday. That's when the quiz will become available. So I'm going to get you started on our review here, and then I want you to do as much of this as you can do on your own and check your answers with the key and see how you did. The big thing I wanted you to get started with was your sketch, because on the quiz, we can't have you graph, and there's not a graph there to look at, so you got to remember how to sketch these yourself. So we have this scenario where Meredith shoots a basketball and scores 3 points. Its height can be modeled by the equation y equals negative 2x squared plus 16x plus 8, where y represents the ball's height in feet and x represents the time in seconds. The three most important points to find are the y-intercept, the vertex, and the positive x-intercept. These will help you answer the questions. So for our sketch, our C value in standard form is 8. So that means somewhere, I'll just decide where it is. I have a y-intercept of 0, 8. And then Meredith throws the ball, and the ball will go up, and the ball will come down, and it's going to hit the ground right there. That would be my positive x-intercept, and here's my vertex. Those are the points that you're going to want to find. I left you some work area. Remember to find the x value. That's negative b over 2a. Plug in to get y. And your positive x value is your quadratic formula. Okay, so you're going to want to find your quadratic formula here. The negative one, remember, is the negative x is over here, and that's not the real world, so we're going to ignore the negative x-intercept. I have a question on here about the interval of increase and decrease. And so increasing is where when you're going left to right, the parabola is going up. It would have a positive. So here is my axis of symmetry right there. So you need to know what your x value of your vertex is. And from the y-axis to the vertex, it's increasing. So this is a little bit different because when we were doing them on just the graphs, we had these parabolas going on forever and ever. That's not the case now. So your interval is going to start here at 0, where the real world starts. And then you need to find out what this x value is, so you'll get your interval for increasing. At the vertex, the ball starts to head down until it hits the ground. So the interval for decreasing will be whatever this x value is to your positive x-intercept. All right, hopefully that should get you started. You have the key there to check, but I want you to try and see how much of this that you can do on your own. And be sure you email me if you have any questions. Talk to you later.